Gold Friday close just below key trendline support. So first major resistance comes around 4200. Resistance level change every day because dynamic trendline resistance level. So now 4200 is your first resistance level. To confirm a real breakout, trendline breakout, either you see trendline or closing above 4200 psychological level. A breakout of 4200, or you can say trend line, which tested multiple times. A clear breakout above trend line could trigger a meaningful shift in gold bullish sentiment. In case of breakout, I think very high chance this week we see breakout. Under case of breakout, 4366 that will be first big resistance. Before that, there is no major resistance. 4200 that is your resistance, but that is the level to confirm a breakout. So these two are your clear resistance level, but in case of support you can see price dip, almost 61% retracement, multiple intraday rejection, but up again, almost there, closing just below trend line. You can watch this premium video before Trump said anything, because Trump changed his mind almost every day. In beginning of the week he said ceasefire is over, gold dip, retrace almost 61%, and just before Friday closing, end of the week, he changed his mind again and said Iran is still interested in reaching a deal. So that's why in this premium video, before Trump say anything, before dip said buy the dip between 50 and 61% retracement, and gold did same to same as expected last week. Trade will work or not, but just before Friday closing, Trump changed his mind. He pivoted from ceasefire over to Iran interested in reaching a deal. And now Monday market open, you can only watch, you cannot do anything. So if breakout come starting Monday this week till Friday closing, then in case of breakout, there is no major resistance before 4366. So if price dip again, then now you can see 4038, that is big intraday support level. That is your major support in case of breakout, 4200 and 4366. So you have clear support and resistance level, a clear trend line which you can use as a chart pattern. Because Trump tried but failed, market did not make new lower low last week, and investor busy buying a dip near 61% retracement. So first let's see breakout happen or not this week. Upside risk level 4366. After clear breakout, clear closing above 4200, then we will decide what next. But these are level, these are strategy. Even if you watch daily time frame, then you can see almost no space below trend line. So breakout coming this week. In case of breakout, all the resistance level are clear on intraday H4 time frame. If you watch weekly time frame, you can see that same trend line visible on almost every time frame H4 up to weekly. You can see almost no place in this trend line. So by default, Monday market open, your next week candlestick open outside this trend line. So Monday market open, retest, failure or breakout of this trend line begin. Monday will open outside this trend line, and Friday will close with a clear breakout above 4200 or more waterfall towards $4,000 level, which Trump tried last week but failed. Our premium member were recommended to buy the dip even after Trump said ceasefire is over. Now Friday closing perfect, and Monday market open is just wait and watch, either breakout, but technically you can see weekly candlestick will open outside the trend line. If breakout is real, then closing must be above 4200 minimum for Friday target, and if breakout is real, then closing can come near 4366. Because very big important news this week. First one, Tuesday, July 14, your inflation indicator CPI. Wednesday, July 15, PPI. Thursday, July 16, your retail sale. And most important, two Fed speech this week. First one on Tuesday, second one on Wednesday. So on second Fed speech, you will have clear answer on CPI inflation. And these economic indicators are coming when last time Fed chair said inflation risk have come down. So very important, warsh speech, you will have another CPI inflation indicator. So last time he gave forecast, inflation risk have come down, and this time he will give speech second time, and before that he will have clear CPI number. So what CPI come lower than expected, higher than expected, that is not important. Forget about that. Focus only on Fed chair review of CPI inflation this week. And before new Fed speech this week, Trump changed his mind from ceasefire over to Iran wanted trade deal. And before Fed chair speech this week, Trump changed his mind from ceasefire over up to Iran wanted trade deal. So I think Fed chair speech this week is super important what he said, and this will be first interview of new Fed chair where he will give you review of that lower than expected NFP number. So new Fed chair speech, his hint on Fed rate path, he want pause or rate cut, that will drive gold price this week. But I think hike after lower than expected NFP number, that possibility decrease. Only pause, that is highest chance if he give a hint about cut, because this week he will give review of lower than expected NFP number. NFP number force him to change his mind that this week can create big action. So this week super important, especially intraday H4 time frame. Weekly have no place. Opening Monday market open start outside the trend line. 4200 first resistance, 4366 next big resistance, which depend on CPI, but most important review of Fed of CPI number this week, and most important his review of NFP number. So monthly time frame, you can see it is up since open. Monthly have only one resistance near 4500, that is your monthly level. Weekly have near 4500. H4 have resistance near 4366, or you can say intraday H1, that is a resistance near 4200. So all time frame have different resistance level, but they start from 4200 and goes up to 4540 level. So back to daily time frame, you don't need to wait for daily closing, and I explain you all the big news this week from Monday market open till Friday closing. Just daily closing, it take time. So focus on H4 closing. If closing come outside 4200 or above trend line, that will be clear breakout. And once daily candlestick close above trend line or 4200, that will confirm a clear technical breakout. Because you can see so many candlesticks, so much time, all of them are showing rejection near $4,000 area. So buying pressure is real, and sellers are trying, but they are failing to break down below 4K. Only hawkish Fed speech, he need to say crystal clear, they are ready to hike again lower than expected NFP number. Only that condition can trigger breakdown in gold. Now you can see intraday H1 time frame, two test on 61% retracement, and price test this support zone area once again near 4100 and closing almost there. So 4038, that is your most important support level. Trend line almost there. Monday market open. Next week there is a chance of breakout. In case of breakout, 4200 first resistance, then 4366, then 4500 in the last 4540 area. But minimum and first near resistance is 4200 for intraday scalper. A closing above this area, that means breakout is happening. After breakout, how much gold will fly, that depends on CPI PPI number this week and Fed review of CPI this week. The line they use in minute PDF, not repeat the language, easing bias that say minutes are hawkish, short term bet for inflation asset, recent NFP number. That will decide how much gold jump this week.